Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll discuss three powerful topics in DSA, which are recursion, memoization and tabulation. Imagine you're planning a trip and you need directions from traveling from city A to city B. Do you figure it out from the scratch every time? Or do you save past routes so that you don't repeat any work? Or do you plan everything ahead of time and find the fastest path? That's exactly how recursion, memoization and tabulation works in coding. What is recursion? Recursion is like always asking for directions from the beginning. In recursion, you break bigger problems into smaller ones and solve them independently. For example, imagine you are climbing a staircase where you can either take one step or two steps at a time. So in how many ways can we reach the top? In recursion, we ask how many ways can I reach the top from step n-1, and in how many ways can I reach the top from step n-2. We keep breaking it down until we reach the initial step. This is how recursive approach works. You can refer to the code shown on the screen. Recursion is simple, but there is a lot of repetition. That is where we use memoization to ignore repetitions. Let's understand what is memoization. Memoization is like remembering the routes which you have already taken, so that you don't ask for the directions again. In the staircase problem, if you observe, there are a lot of repetitions. So what can we do about it? We store the result for each step in a different data structure. For this problem, we can take the help of a dictionary and store number of ways to reach the nth step. You can refer to this Python code shown on the screen. Now let me ask you a question. Which approach do you think is faster? Is it recursion or is it memoization? The answer for this is memoization, because memoization makes recursion faster by avoiding repetitions. If memoization is faster, then what is tabulation? Let's understand tabulation with the same examples. Unlike recursion and memoization, in tabulation we plan things ahead of time, so that you never ask for directions. In memoization, we break a bigger problem into smaller problem and then find its answer. But in tabulation, we solve the sub-problems first and slowly build up the final answer. Similar to memoization, we can also use a dictionary, or we can also use an array in tabulation. In memoization, we go towards the base case, but in tabulation, we start from the base case. For your reference, here is the climbing stairs problem in tabulation. Tabulation is same as memoization, but it avoids extra use of recursive stack, due to which tabulation is often the most efficient approach. So what are your final takeaways? To summarize everything, in recursion, we always keep asking for directions, which is like recomputing everything. In memoization, we remember the past directions, which makes computing faster. In tabulation, we plan everything ahead of time, so it is the most efficient one. Here are three important points to remember. Use recursion for writing a basic solution. If there is repetition involved, optimize it with memoization. And finally, convert it to tabulation for maximum efficiency. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Smart Interviews for more such videos.